Welcome, future artists. Every masterpiece begins with a single line. Today is the first step of your creative journey. Pick up your pencil, relax, and let's discover how simple shapes can become amazing drawings. Welcome to art class. Today, we will create a simple pencil drawing. Let's begin. You can do it! Let's start with the circle. Draw lightly and don't worry if it's not perfect. Practice drawing the circle again and again until your hand feels comfortable. See how smooth it becomes with practice. Now draw a square. Try to make all four sides the same length. This is a rectangle. It looks like a square, but it's longer. Next, draw a triangle with 3 straight sides. Now draw an oval. This shape is very useful for drawing faces. Watch how simple shapes become real drawings. A circle and a rectangle can become a beautiful tree. A rectangle and an oval can become a cup. First, draw a rectangle for the body. Then, add an oval on top for the rim. Add some shading, and you have your cup. A rectangle and an oval can become a cup. First, draw the basic shapes. Then add the handle and shading. See? You can do it. Add shading and details to bring it to life. See? Art is that simple. Even a flower begins with simple circles. Every complex drawing starts with these basic shapes. Look at how they build into these beautiful drawings. You can do this too. Just practice the shapes. The more you practice these shapes, the better your drawings will become. Practice for just 20 minutes every day, and you'll improve quickly. Your homework is simple. Draw 10 circles, 10 squares, 10 triangles, and then draw a house and a tree using only these shapes. See you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GoToLearn.tv, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next drawing lesson. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next class.